Hi everyone, I'm Professor Trevor, and I'm so glad to share this moment with you. If you knew me outside my life as a professor, you'd probably find out that I like to bake, read, play sports, and do crafts. In many ways, I wouldn't fit the stereotype of a scientist. I prefer small words and simple sentences. I enjoy camping more than a lab, and I enjoy spending time with my family and friends more than I do with my experiments. While I've grown as a researcher, I found my interests that make me Trevor are actually my biggest strengths. So, both as a beadwork hobbyist and as a researcher, I couldn't think of a better topic to share with you than crafted matter. I hope through this session you get to explore some of your own interests and see that the types of objectives, skills, and creativity you use in your hobbies are relevant to the life of a researcher. Miigwech!
Ready for your first craft? Let's learn how to make a daisy chain. Prepare your string by cutting it into your desired length. Add 6 beads and move them to the center of your string. Grab the leftmost bead with your left hand and thread the string in your right hand through the bead. Pull both ends of the elastic tight to form the base of your chain. It should look like a hexagon. Now, add 2 beads through each side of your string. Add 1 more bead to one end and thread the other end through. Once again, pull the ends of the string in opposite directions to tighten the loop, revealing your daisy chain.
Repeat the beading pattern and observe. What shape do you make? What happens when you change the number of beads? Have fun and explore. This activity is part of our free Science of Craft unit. Link in the description.